Instagram is a powerful platform for generating real estate leads in 2025, leveraging visuals and engagement to attract buyers, sellers, and renters. With consistent effort, you can build a local following and convert followers into leads cost-effectively. Here's how. Optimize your profile. Use a professional headshot. Add "Realtor in New York," for example, to your bio, and include a link to a landing page, like Linktree or a free Wix site, with a lead capture form offering a free home valuation. Post engaging content. Share daily posts, property photos, virtual tours, or drone shots, 1 to 2 posts day. Use stories for behind the scenes, for example, open house prep. Post reels showing "day in the life of a realtor" or "top 5 neighborhoods in your city." Use hashtags like real estate or Florida homes. Engage actively. Respond to DMs and comments within an hour. Follow local businesses and residents. Like and comment on their posts. Join local Instagram groups or pages to answer questions, like "best areas for families." Run contests and giveaways. Host a giveaway, for example, $50 gift card, requiring users to follow, tag friends, and sign up for your newsletter. Promote via stories. Use Instagram Live. Host Q&A sessions on home buying or market trends. Invite followers to DM for private consultations. Collaborate locally. Partner with local businesses like cafes for shout-outs or co-hosted events, driving followers to your lead form. Tips: post at peak times, 6 to 9 p.m. local. Use free analytics tools to track engagement. Follow up leads via DM and email. Expect 5-15 leads monthly with 500+ followers.